In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to round quiz scores to a whole number in Storyline. We'll use a built-in setting so your results slide automatically displays a rounded percentage. You may have encountered this situation before, where your score shows decimal places, but you don't really want it to do so. Previously, this needed to be addressed with JavaScript. Thanks to an update in early 2026, however, all you really need to do is navigate to your Result Tools Design tab, and then go into your quiz settings and make one small change. In the quiz settings menu, simply checkmark the box at the bottom that says Round Score Percentage. This will round the score up or down to the nearest whole number when it is displayed to your learner. Thanks for watching. At UConn Learning, our goal is to make e-learning easy for everyone, no matter your experience level. Visit us at uconnlearning.com to start building better learning experiences.